Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. Now, 2 to the power of 20, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 10 squared. So now we have 2 to the power of 10 squared minus 1. And 1, that's the same thing as 1 squared. And remember, if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So now if we plug in 2 to the power of 10 for a and 1 for b, we get parentheses 2 to the power of 10 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 10 is the same thing as 1024. So now we get 1024 plus 1 times 1024 minus 1. Now 1024 plus 1 is simply just 1025. And 1024 minus 1 is 1023. So we have 1025 times 1023. Now I'm going to rewrite both of these numbers. So I'm going to rewrite 1025 as 1000 plus 25. And I'm going to rewrite 1023 as 1000 plus 23. Now all we have to do is distribute and solve. So 1000 plus 25 times 1000 plus 23, well, we're going to multiply 1000 with 1000 and 1000 with 23 first. So 1000 times 1000 is going to be 1 million. So 1 with 6 zeros. Plus 1000 times 23 is 23,000. Plus, now we're going to do 25 times 1000, which is 25,000. Plus, now we have 25 times 23, which is going to be 575. So now all we have to do is simply add all of these up. Now, because 1 million is the largest, we have 100, then we have 10, then 25,000 plus 23,000 is simply 48,000. So we have 48. And then we have 575. So this is going to be our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this algebraic problem. So we have the square root of x of the square root of x of the square root of x. And this is equal to 7. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take these, I'm going to square both sides. So by doing this, this actually cancels out this square root. So now we simply have x times the square root of x times the square root of x. And this is equal to 7 squared. Now, I'm going to take the power of 2 again on both sides. And now this cancels out this square root. So now we have x squared times x times the square root of x. Now this is equal to 7 squared to the power of 2. Now once again, to cancel out the final square root, I'm going to square both sides. So now we have x to the power of 4 times x squared times x. And now this is equal to, now if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So as you can see here, we have 7 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. This would equal 7 to the power of 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so this would be 7 to the power of 8. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So x to the power of 4 times x squared, this is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2, which is equal to x to the power of 6. So now we would have x to the power of 6 times x is the same thing as x to the power of 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7. So now we have x to the power of 7 is equal to 7 to the power of 8. Now to cancel out this power, I'm going to take the power of 1 over 7 on both sides. So then these two cancel out because 7 times 1 over 7 is 1. So now we get x is equal to 7 to the power of 8 times 1 over 7 is simply 8 over 7. So this is our answer.